we are going to discuss about tree and tree operations. What are the various operations that we can perform over trees and how they will be implemented? This we will look out in this session. So let's start with our discussion, and if anyone is having any doubt in between, kindly drop your queries in the chat box. I'll definitely try to revert back. So let's start with trees. So basic objective of the discussion is tree definitions and few definitions associated with trees that we have already discussed. So moving ahead, we'll be discussing tree traversal algorithms, how we can traverse the various nodes of a tree. And we'll be discussing binary tree implementation, and then we'll examine binary tree examples. So let's move on. We had in detail discussed in our previous sessions that what actually tree is. So as we know, a tree is a non-linear abstract data type that stores element in hierarchical form. So it can be any kind of hierarchy like this. This is again a tree. We must have a root node, then we have the parent nodes and child node or the leaf nodes. So we can have multiple number of child nodes to any parent node. This is again example of tree. We have Java software structures under which we'll be having introduction, analysis of algorithm and index. And under introduction, we'll be introducing software quality, software structures, algorithm efficiency. And under algorithm, we'll be having big O notations and time complexities. So index is the node that is not having any kind of leaf node, or actually it itself is a leaf node. So moving ahead, we have this hierarchy also. This is again a tree. So we are not going to in too much of detail because we have already spent too much of time in previous sessions for the basics of what actually root is, the subtree and the nodes and edges, depth, height. We have all discussed that. So you can check over here as well. The parent root, the main root from where all the other nodes are being initiated, that node is termed as your root node. It may have various children, and this here is termed as your uh, left subtree, and then it is termed as your right subtree. So they are having children, accordingly will traverse. So we have nodes, edges, roots, and empty tree are any tree which is having no node, no root node, no parent node, no edges. So that will be termed as empty tree. So you can check over here, we have edges. Any connectivity between the nodes is termed as your edges, link or arc. And vertices will be your leaf nodes. So these terminologies again we have discussed in previous session. We know what a parent node is, we know what a child node is, their siblings, ancestors, sisters, that all we have discussed. We know what is leaf node and internal nodes. All right. So you can check from here root node about internal nodes and the leaf nodes. So now directly moving to the traversal of a tree, how we can traverse a tree. So here we have the traversal algorithm, traversal operation. Traversing means what? Accessing each and every node of a tree. That will be considered as traversing operation. So there are three standard ways to traverse a binary tree T with roots R. These three algorithms called pre-order, in-order and post-order. So we have tree traversal in this way. So what is pre-order or maybe the in-order? So moving ahead, uh, when we are tracing, we are visiting each and every node exactly at once. That is considered as your traversal algorithm. All right. So pre-order means what? Pre means anything before, right? So pre-order means we will be traversing root node and then we will visit the left node and then the right node. So this order will be termed as your pre-order. So recursively we will be accessing firstly root node, then left subtree, then right subtree. So here is the example. You can check from here. This is the pre-order traversal. Firstly, we will be visiting to the first node, that is the root node. Then afterwards, we will visit left subtree. Then we will visit left subtree and then again the left subtree. So this way we will be moving. So pre-ordered, under pre-order traversal, the resultant will be as A, B, D, H, E, C, F, I, G. So this order you can check over here. This will be the order and the result of pre-order traversal. So how we have visited here? Taking another example, I'll just show you by demonstrations here. Let's assume we have a tree, as in we have A, then we have B and C. They are the children of A, that is the root node. Then afterwards we have two children of B, that is your D and E. So these are the children of B. Then we have only one child of C, that is F. Now we want to pre-orderly traverse this. So how we can pre-orderly traverse this? So here, carefully check here. We have to traverse the root node first. So we are considering this binary tree, and the pre-order traversal of this tree will be as we have to process A first because this is the root node. Then we will traverse the left node, then the right node. So firstly, we will traverse and we will visit A because this is the root node. Because in pre-order we have to follow root, left and right. Okay, so root is A. Then we have to move toward the left subtree. So left subtree here is B. So after visiting A, we will be processing root, that is the node B. And then we have to visit the left tree, left of B, because we have to complete the left order first. So we will be traversing here A, B and D. Then we are completed with left side of processing. Then afterwards we will be processing E. Then we will be processing. So I'm just numbering for your convenience. Firstly, we will process A, then B, and then D. All right. So afterwards, we have to visit or process the right root. Right is D. We are here at D. So D is, that means D is the left node and we have to now process the right. So right of B is E. So we will process E. Then right of A is C. We have to process C. And it is not having any left, so we will simply process F. So the order in which we have processed the nodes will come up as A, B, D, E, C, and F. So this is the order in which we have processed it. So this is the pre-order of this particular tree. So any issue with this you can ask. After pre-order traversal, we have in-order traversal. So the condition of in-order traversal is that you have to start with root and then you have to firstly visit the left child of each node. Left child of each node, then you have to visit the root, that is the node, and then the right child. So let's see how we can perform this. So under in-order traversal, we have to traverse the left subtree, then we will process the root, and then we traverse the right subtree. So the order here will be left, root, and right. So this is the order. We have to first traverse the left subtree, then we will be reaching to the root of the tree, and then we will traverse the right subtree. So let's start with our discussion here. Let's see to it how we can proceed with this. I'll just show you the example over here. So this is the in-order traversal we are having. Firstly, we will be visiting the left subtree. So left subtree is what? You can check over here. A is the root. So we will not traverse root first. It will be processed after we have traversing the left side. So left, under left side we are having B. B is again having two child, left and right. So we will be going to the extreme left. So this is left, and D is not having any left. So we are here visiting D first, then we will be visiting the root node. So here left is what? D. Then afterwards we will be visiting root. Root is your D. It is not having any left. We have visited D. Then we will be visiting right. Though it is not having any left. You can check over here. It is not having any left. So we are skipping that. After left, we have to visit the root. Root here for this subtree. Root will be what? D. D will be the root. Left it is not having, and right will be H. Alright. So that is why we have written D and then H. Afterwards, we will be visiting the upper root. So ये सब ट्री जो है ये हमने मेंशन कर दिया है यहाँ. So afterwards we will be processing this subtree. So here left will be D, which have already been processed. So B is the root of D. Then we will process B, and then we will process the right, which is E. So that is why we have mentioned D, H, E. Likewise, we have processed this whole left tree, then we will process the root. Then we have mentioned A. Afterwards, we will be processing right subtree in the same manner. So if any doubt is here, you can ask. and I'll just demonstrate this with one example of mine. So let's look this example. I'm taking the previous example again. We are having root node A, then we are having B, D, and E here. Afterwards, we are having C, then F. Fine. So we have to traverse this tree in order manner. So the sequence we have to follow is left, root, and right. So firstly, we will process the left side of the tree. So while traversing the left, we have to move to the extreme of left. So extreme of left is what? B is left, extreme will be D. ठीक है जी? So we will process D first. Afterwards, this is left and this is root. Remember the sequence, left, root, right. So left is D, root is B, and right is E. ठीक है जी? So we have processed this subtree. This is done. So left is done. So this is left. Then is root. Root is A. This is left. Then is A. Then we have to traverse right. So under right subtree we have C. C do not have any left side. So we will be skipping L part. Then we will be moving to right. So we have to mention here C because it is not having left part. So that is why we are mentioning the root first. So root and then is the right side of the subtree. Fine. So this will be the in order of this particular tree. This is the in order traversal of this tree. Yes, everyone. If any doubt is there, please ask. So moving ahead with post order traversal, we are having the algorithm as we have to traverse the root as last. So firstly we will be processing left subtree, then right subtree, then afterwards root. So this is the sequence that we have to follow. So the sequence that we are following here will be left, right, and root. So moving ahead, you can check over here. We have left